So you can see from this equation, if you want things to happen uniformly in time, then you need them to be separated. If it's accelerating, they need to be separated by something that's increasing as the square of the time, right? So we got 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So that's how Galileo did it, something kind of like this. So here we've put these little clips. So here I put them at 2, and then 4 squared up 8, and then 18, and then let's see, 16 times 2 is 32, 25 times 2 is 50, etc., going all the way down. So what we're going to do is roll, or let Hal move, not roll, move down with some acceleration, and we'll see if the sound is uniform, if the clicks are uniform. So here we go. We're going to hold it right here and let it go. Sounded pretty good. So you could hear those, and we amplified them a little bit in the video, so you could hear those uniform clicks. So even though the spacing wasn't uniform, the clicks in time were uniform. And according to that equation, that's how you can confirm that that acceleration really is constant.